Welcome to UnCYNsored with Dr. Sin, where we uncover the history they forgot to tell and the stories that help us understand the world we live in today. Today's question is simple. If it weren't for Black people, what would your morning look like? Imagine waking up tomorrow. You flip on the light, you brush your teeth, you grab your coffee, you head to work. Seems pretty ordinary until you realize how much of that routine was shaped by Black innovation. Let's start with your bathroom. If you've ever used a modern toilet paper holder, you're benefiting from improvements patented by Albert Richardson, whose innovations made the design far more practical. Next, you're probably making coffee. Many people don't realize that John Stannard patented improvements to the refrigerator that help preserve food more effectively, making the modern kitchen far more functional. Now you're running late. You jump in your car and you drive toward an intersection. The traffic light turns red. That safer intersection exists because Garrett Morgan patented a three-position traffic signal that introduced a warning phase between stop and go, helping reduce collisions and improve traffic flow. Maybe you're rushing because your clothes look great. The dry cleaning industry changed dramatically after Thomas Jennings, the first African American to receive a U.S. patent, invented a process called dry scouring, allowing delicate fabrics to be cleaned without damage. And what about the office? Your computer, your phone, your internet connection. Today's technology was built by thousands of innovators from every background, including countless Black engineers, scientists, mathematicians, programmers, and inventors whose contributions are often left out of history books. Here's the point. History isn't about replacing one story with another. It's about telling the whole story. Because when we leave people out, we don't just erase their achievements, we misunderstand how our world was actually built. So the next time someone asks, why does Black history matter? Remind them they've probably already used it before breakfast. If it weren't for Black people, history wouldn't just look different, life would look different. If this episode taught you something new, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. And tell me in the comments which everyday invention surprised you the most. I'm Dr. Sin, and I'll see you next time on UnCYNsored.